Looking for the perfect Mexican Train Dominoes set to spice up your game nights but unsure which one to choose? You're in the right place, because that's exactly what we're going to explore. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting out, it's important to pick a set that's durable, complete, and designed for smooth gameplay. We've compared several options and hand-picked the top 3 based on quality, value, and user experience. You'll find links to these products in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun recommendations. Here are the 3 best Mexican Train Dominoes sets. Let's dive in. First, the Spin Master Mexican Train Dominoes game is a must-have for family nights or gatherings with friends. The set includes 91 double 12 dominoes, 9 trains, a scorepad, and easy-to-follow instructions, all stored in a sleek, sturdy, and portable aluminum case. Perfect for travel, this game is ideal for fun at home, outdoors, or on the go. Easy to pick up and play, simply take out the game, read the rules, and embark on an adventure with this captivating game, recommended for 2 to 8 players aged 8 and up. Whether it's for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any other occasion, this domino set makes a great gift for parents, teens, or the whole family. Spin Master offers a wide range of games for all ages, and this Mexican Train Dominoes set is a fantastic addition to your board game collection. With its practical design and engaging gameplay, it promises hours of entertainment for everyone. Next, discover the Queensell Mexican Train Dominoes set, a classic game that will delight both young and old. This complete set includes 91 double 12 dominoes, 9 plastic trains, and a wooden hub, all stored in a reusable aluminum case for easy storage and transport. Perfect for 2 or more players, this game is ideal for family nights, parties, or get-togethers with friends. The colorful and durable dominoes, with well-painted and indented pips, ensure optimal readability and long-lasting use. This set also makes a unique and entertaining gift for birthdays, Christmas, Easter, or any other special occasion. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this Mexican Train Dominoes game offers hours of fun and camaraderie. With its practical design and high-quality components, it's a must-have for all board game enthusiasts. Finally, dive into the timeless world of Mexican Train Dominoes with this Front Porch Classics Premium set. Also known as Trains, this classic game combines strategy and social interaction for hours of entertainment. The set includes double 12 dominoes with colored pips, 8 metal trains, a wooden central station, and a scorepad, all presented in an elegant wooden box with a sliding lid and felt lining. Designed for 2 to 8 players aged 8 and up, this game is perfect for family nights, parties, or moments with friends. Gift this game for special occasions and enjoy its engaging gameplay and high-quality components. Front Porch Classics is committed to providing unplugged family entertainment that strengthens social bonds. With this Mexican Train Dominoes set, create lasting memories while having screen-free fun. The wooden box offers practical storage and adds a touch of elegance to your game collection. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.